Hi, my name is Aldo, and welcome to the Festival of Whales.
So, what do we got here, Aldo?
Alright, hi, my name is Aldo Cruz, and I'm going to talk about some specimens that we have here at the coast. So right here, we actually have an awesome collection of scald cetus, which are sperm whales. The fancy way of saying sperm whale. The funny thing about the sperm whale, or at least for these kind, is that the teeth is actually a lot smaller than the actual root, which the root is actually about like 3 or 4 times the size of a tooth. Primitive sperm whale teeth, or sperm whales, actually used to have rows of teeth on both top and bottoms of their mouths, whereas more modern sperm whales have them only on their lower mandible. The famous one that we used to draw in a lot of kids is like, they know the famous megalodon. They're about the size of a school bus, so they're relatively large.
Aldo, what's on your shirt?
On my shirt is a Digimon called Waymon. So we are honoring both real and digital whales today.
You're a dork.
I am.
Well, right now we're rolling up balls of air-dry clay so that we can use them in our educational activity to build your own fossil. So we have a bunch of different shells here on the table, and kids get the opportunity to pick some different patterns. And we talk to them about trace fossils, we talk to them about dinosaurs, we talk to them about ancient creatures, and then they get the chance to actually create their own fossilized impression. So they get to take these home with them, and they get to have their own limestone fossils. So Ruth and I are getting the magic ready. We're making it happen.
So, what do you got going here?
Well, we have all artifacts from Orange County. Here we have your dart points on the bottom, which are earlier in time, and we have arrowhead points, which are later in time. Here we have our Orange County prehistory mystery, the elusive cogstone from the milling stone period. We don't know what they are, but if you guys have any ideas, we're willing to hear. Here we have our prehistoric multi-tool, the scraper or biface. And I always encourage people to touch these because unfortunately these have lost their provenience, so they're no good for science but perfect for teaching. And then here, in honor of our coastal surroundings, we have shell beads. The fish hooks on top are my favorite. These are the finished product. Here is the blank, and you can see the process of how they made them. There's a pendant, and that was probably maybe used for a rattle. And then here you have the notorious shell mitted. If you've ever worked in a coastal site, you've counted and bagged and went through a lot of shell mitted, and that's basically trash. So that is what I have.